Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to add shipping options to your PayPal business account. Setting up shipping options in your PayPal business account helps provide your customers with accurate delivery choices during checkout. This can improve the buying experience by showing the correct shipping methods and costs before the payment is completed. If a customer changes their shipping details during checkout, PayPal can automatically update the available shipping options based on the new information, making the checkout process more flexible and reliable. Now let's get started. First, sign in to your PayPal business account. Now go to Account Settings or Seller Tools, then open the Shipping or Shipping Preferences section. Here, add or edit the shipping methods you want to offer your customers. Now enter the shipping names, delivery options, and any applicable shipping charges. Then save your shipping settings. After that, review the available shipping methods to make sure they are correct. If a buyer updates their shipping information during checkout, they can make two main types of changes. First, they can change the merchant-provided shipping options. Second, they can change the shipping address. After that, PayPal will automatically refresh the available shipping options based on those changes if your account supports dynamic shipping updates. Now perform a test checkout to confirm that your shipping options appear correctly and